Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Olivia and welcome to the video. Today we are going to experiment and play with some new ColourPop makeup, aka the holiday collection. So stay tuned and let's get right on into the video. Okay guys, we're gonna start off by priming today. It fell out. We are gonna start off by priming today using this Illamasqua primer. If you've seen my other videos, you know this primer is super weird because it's like jello-like, but I've been using it and it's actually pretty good. Like I said, I have to show it in every single video, so there you go, jello. And a little goes a long freaking way with this stuff. Like, it spreads so easily. Shabam! And since today we are going over makeup from ColourPop, we are gonna go in using our trusty ColourPop No Filter Sticks foundation. This is in the shade Medium 81 Nude. Sorry, not nude, Medium 81N. I like to apply quite a bit. I really do like this foundation a lot. Whenever I start using a new foundation, it's like I keep using that one and I forget about my other ones, but this one's really good. Now just taking a damp Morphe sponge, I'm just going to blend that out. I like this stick foundation because it's honestly not that hard to blend. Sometimes stick foundations, you know, can be like really thick and hard to blend around with a beauty sponge at least, but this one's actually really good. Scared to go down the neck because of my white shirt, but we don't want to look like we have a mask on, so I gotta do at least a little bit. Okay, now going in with our first new product from ColourPop. This is their Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. It says, a long-wearing, full coverage creamy concealer infused with hydrating ingredients for a natural, fresh finish. Prep under eyes with favorite eye cream, apply concealer to cover blemishes and even out skin tone, and blend using fingertips, beauty sponge, or brush. Okay, cool. This is in the shade Light 40N. Packaging is super cute, so yeah, I'm just gonna grab that and put that right under my eyes like so. I think it's pretty cool that it says it's full coverage and hydrating, so we'll see if the claim is true. I always put a little bit on my chin, my forehead, and around the corners of my mouth just so it balances out my face and the lightness and darkness. Also down my nose. Just grabbing the same beauty sponge and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, here goes the true test for coverage. Just going right under my eye and patting that in and blending it out. Just drag that down the side of the nose as well. Okay, I don't think that it's full coverage. I'd say it's more of a medium coverage, but I personally like it. I don't really mind if it's medium or full. Because I think you can really build medium formulas, but I just care that it's not light coverage. I just really love that it's like juicy, it gives hydration to the eye, and it gives some coverage, so I like that. Now let's see how it does with powder. I am just using my Coty Airspun powder. I'm just gonna take that on my beauty sponge and go right under the eye. Okay, so something I'm noticing right off the bat is that because this concealer is extremely hydrating, it's really soaking up the powder. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a line, like you can see where there's powder and where there's not. I don't particularly love that because I have to like put more powder like on the edges so it blends out, but I don't hate it either. Like, you just have to add one more step, but it's not terrible. And I just take a little bit more powder and just put it in my oily areas, which is my forehead pretty much. Just in between my brows. But after I fixed that and I just added a little bit more powder on the edges, it actually looks really smooth, really clean and beautiful. So I like it. I'll be using it again, that's for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply bronzer and blush. I'll put everything I use down below because it's not a part of the holiday collection, so I'm just gonna quickly go through that and then we can get back into the good ColourPop stuff. Sorry if my brows look uneven. I have lost my patience with them. Alright, you guys, now into more goods. So we are going to hop into the Good as Gold palette. Woo! Sexy thing. So this palette is beautiful and gorgeous. It comes with 12 stunning shades and the theme is gold, if you couldn't tell. But if you've been watching my channel, you know I freaking love a good gold eyeshadow. Like, probably most of my looks consist of some gold. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love the packaging. I love the colors. So let's see if the hype is worth it. Okay, so starting off with a nice fluffy brush like so, I'm going to go into this shade right here called State of Mind. So I'm just going to tap that in there. And I'm going to put that all over the crease and everywhere. This is just to get a good transition shade in and prepare for some nice blending. So I'm just going to go back and forth in my crease with windshield wiper motions. And I'm going to go up quite a bit too, and down quite a bit too. It's really just to create a good base. Same thing on the other side. Color is laying down really well and really easy to apply so far, so that's a good sign, right? Next, I'm going to go into this color right here called Bold Rush. Also, just using the same big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to lightly apply that lower into the crease, again using windshield wiper motions. And once that diffuses, just bring it up a little bit more to again just create a soft wash of color for now. Just getting things started here. Now I'm taking a more precise, small, fluffy blending brush, and I'm going into the shade right here called Big Brooch. This shade looks really interesting. It is brown, but I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it has like little tiny gold flecks in it. So I've never really put a color like this in my crease before, so we're gonna see how this goes, but I think if it goes well, it might look really cool. Okay, disclaimer real quick. I went on this eye first and didn't say anything because I just wanted to see, like, without being distracted by my talking, how it turned out. So, and then I started on this eye and I was like, crap, I haven't even started talking yet. So, just a disclaimer, I'm going to walk you guys through this now and explain my experience. So again, just taking it on the brush and going right above my crease. I go right above my crease because I have slightly hooded eyes. I'm just going in the shape I want and then just blending that out. So I was afraid that as I was blending, the gold flecks would kind of disappear because that's what I've heard about formulas like this. But all is well, they do stay. But again, they are very subtle, so it probably isn't catching on camera. Now take the big fluffy brush again and make sure everything is nice and blended. And now we are going to go into this black shade called Let's Do It. Tapping the small blending brush into there. And I'm only going to go on the outer portion of my crease and on the outer V, which my outer V isn't very defined, but we create one anyways. And after you lay down that color again, just go in with the fluffy brush and blend that out. Now taking a stubby flat brush like so, we are going to go into the shade Big Brooch again, which is the brown with the gold sparkles, and we're gonna go right under the lash line on the bottom. Just taking that from the outer corner to the inner corner. And I like to fade that out quite a bit and bring it down pretty far. So that's what I'm gonna do, just going back and forth, blending that out. Cool beans. Okay, there's so many beautiful gold shades to choose from and I don't know which one to do, you guys. All right, this one is calling my name, so we are going to go into AU Team. This looks like a pressed glitter formula, I wanna say. I don't know how well it's gonna do. Yeah, it's not picking up on my brush, so I feel like the best thing you can do with a formula like this is just put it straight onto your finger. See, it picked up a lot better that way. I'm nervous, but so freaking excited too. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna just pat.
Dang, girl.
That is freaking amazing. Okay, I love using my finger. The only thing I don't love about using my finger is that I don't get like exact precision, but holy freaking, that's amazing. That's like pure, it feels like gold too. It's kind of like heavy on my lids. I think this is like a pressed glitter, right? I don't know. But holy freaking cow, look at this, you guys. Yeah, apply this with your finger, 100%. It's a lot, but I love it. Okay guys, now I got this beautiful, beautiful metallic liquid liner that comes in this gorgeous packaging. It is in Bronze Touch. I can't wink. This is what the color looks like in the bottle. And the tip, if it'll focus on the tip at all, looks like that. It's really fine. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to trace my crease with this because I feel like it won't even show up because I'm gonna put lashes on, so I can't put on my lash line really, so just go along with me, okay? Okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I personally think it looks pretty cute. So if you're my friend, you'll say it's cute too, okay? I'm just kidding. You don't have to pretend if it's not cute. But at least laugh at me, right? Like if you're gonna do anything, like laugh at me if it's not good. And for fun, I'm also going to just put it right against my lashes on the bottom lash line. I just popped on some mascara and white liner like you know I love to do. And now we're gonna go in with these bad babies. Packaging looks like this, gorgeous as always. And we're gonna go in, these are in the style, is style the word? These are in the style Dame. I thought they were so pretty. So yeah, let's pop these bad babies on. Voila! Wow, ColourPop. You did that. Don't judge me because I can't sing, okay? So these lashes are extremely soft. Like I wasn't expecting them to be like that soft and cushiony, but they really are super soft, super fluttery, and I'm really loving it. So before we finish off with lipstick, I'm gonna hurry and pop on some highlighter and we'll get to the rest of the goods. Okay, so we're using Eyeshadow for highlighter today. And we're gonna use this shade right here called 24K. I'm just gonna tap my BH Cosmetics brush in 140 on there. And I'm just going to apply it to the high spot of the cheeks. Ooh, and onto this side. Pretty. Just nose, bridge of the nose. Corners, set of the eye. Inner corner, I mean. Y'all, I'm trying to go fast now because my phone just ran out of recording space and I don't have very much left. Okay, now for lips, this is the Hey Big Spender lip kit. It has the lipstick in $1 Million Baby and the lip pencil is in Hotcakes, if you're interested in getting those separately. Okay, so the pencil was almost a little bit too skinny for me. I feel like it was hard to be like really precise, and like every little move you made kind of like, you know, it wasn't the best situation if you're trying to get perfection, but it was still good, still creamy, still applied pretty well, so I'll probably still use it. Lipstick was really great, beautiful, juicy. I like it a lot. And I love red lipstick, so that should say enough for you. Anyways, honestly, I love everything. The concealer still looks really beautiful. Eyeshadow really impressed me. Overall, like, seriously, love everything. Love the lashes, love the liner, love the lipstick. A+, you guys. Anyways, I thought it was really fun to just create this look and play with some makeup from ColourPop. I really love ColourPop. So honestly, they just keep impressing me. Although I would rate this palette above the last ColourPop palette I had, which was the Salvaje palette. This one's just a little bit easier to blend, pigmentation's a little bit more even, and so yeah, I think they did make an improvement with this one. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun just playing with all this makeup. I love the colors, I'm freaking impressed, and that's all I have to say. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean so much to me, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you all. See you guys in the next one.